Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what many consider the best Vivo Barefoot shoes for kids, the WHITIN Little and Big Kids Minimalist Barefoot Shoes. These sneakers are designed specifically with children's growing feet in mind, offering features that support natural movement and healthy development. Right from the start, you'll notice the zero-drop design of these shoes. Unlike traditional sneakers that elevate the heel, these shoes keep the heel and toe at the same level, promoting proper posture and encouraging a natural stride. This flat-sole design helps strengthen the muscles in young feet without causing deformation, which is crucial during the early years of walking and running. One of the standout features of these WHITIN barefoot shoes is the roomy, wide toe box. This is a thoughtful design that lets little toes spread out naturally, allowing better balance and reducing the chance of rubbing or discomfort. The extra space means kids can wiggle their toes freely, which is important for foot development and overall comfort. The shoes are constructed with a flexible, slip-resistant rubber outsole that provides excellent traction and durability on various surfaces. This outsole is designed to bend and move with the foot, helping kids adapt to uneven terrain safely while still offering protection. Whether they're running around the playground or taking their first steps, these shoes support natural movement without the bulk of traditional sneakers. For the upper, WHITIN uses a lightweight, breathable mesh material that keeps feet cool and comfortable throughout the day. The soft lining inside acts almost like a second skin, reducing irritation and ensuring a pleasant wearing experience. Parents will appreciate how easy these shoes are to put on and take off, thanks to elasticized laces combined with an adjustable hook and loop ankle strap. This combo ensures a secure, customizable fit that adapts to each child's foot shape. Another practical aspect is the removable insole. This allows parents to add their own orthotic inserts if needed or let the kids enjoy a more barefoot feel depending on their preference. It's a flexible feature that makes these shoes even more versatile. When it comes to style, these shoes strike a nice balance. They come in a variety of colors, including dark gray, yellow, pink, and more, making them suitable for boys and girls. The minimalist design pairs well with casual and active wear, so kids can look good while staying comfortable and supported. In terms of size, WHITIN covers a broad range, from little kid sizes to big kid sizes, all with a wide fit option, which is perfect for children who need extra room. The overall lightweight build means kids won't feel weighed down, encouraging more active play and natural foot movement. In summary, the WHITIN Little and Big Kids Minimalist Barefoot Shoes offer a thoughtful combination of healthy foot development features, comfort, flexibility, and style. They are especially ideal for parents who want shoes that support natural movement without sacrificing durability or ease of use. If you're searching for the best barefoot shoes for kids that combine zero-drop, wide toe space, and breathable materials, these WHITIN sneakers are definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more honest reviews and product insights. See you next time.